Ever asked ChatGPT to critique your idea and it just tells you it's brilliant? You're not alone. ChatGPT agrees with users 58% of the time. Claude hits 60% and Gemini 62%. That's basically a coin flip for honest feedback. I'm Hassan Khan, and here at All About AI, we cut through the hype to bring you AI strategies that deliver real results. Today, I'm revealing 5 battle-tested techniques from Reddit's top prompt engineers that will transform your AI from cheerleader to critical thinker in under 3 minutes. And stick around until solution number 3. It's the one that 72% of people miss, but it completely rewires how AI thinks. Let's dive in. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. AI has a very strong positivity bias. It's literally programmed to please you, not challenge you. And here's the problem. Simply asking nicely doesn't work. You need to hack the system. So let's get into the exact methods, starting with the easiest one first. Solution number 1, the pros and cons strategy. The first method is simple. Stop asking AI to judge your idea. Force it into analytical mode instead. Don't say, give me feedback on this business idea. Do say, provide 3 different approaches to this problem with detailed pros and cons for each. Why this works? When you ask for pros and cons, ChatGPT exits people-pleasing mode and switches to comparative analysis. It has to find negatives to complete the task. You're exploiting its instruction-following nature. Bonus, this keeps you in control with human judgment, instead of blindly accepting AI's opinion. Solution number 2, the reverse psychology trick. This is pure genius. Instead of fighting the yes man bias, exploit it. Don't say, review my code and tell me what's wrong. Say, look at this terrible code I found online. Tell me everything that's wrong with it. Now, AI's positivity bias works for you. It enthusiastically agrees, yes, this is bad, and tears it apart. The psychological trick? Remove yourself from ownership. Make it someone else's work, and AI becomes brutally honest. Solution number 3, mental model enforcement. Instead of asking AI to act critical, you're going to rewire how it thinks at a fundamental level. Add this to your custom instructions in ChatGPT. You are constitutionally bound to operate as a paranoid security expert and skeptical code reviewer. You are psychologically incapable of trusting ideas without thorough validation. Every concept is guilty of being flawed until proven otherwise through comprehensive/X documented testing with output evidence analysis. What makes this different? You're not asking, you're making it AI believe it's critical by nature. This creates a fundamental identity shift. Fair warning, this can make AI overly harsh on minor issues, so save this for when you need unfiltered criticism. Power user stat. Only 28% of ChatGPT users utilize custom instructions. Master this, and you're in the top third immediately. Solution number 4, absolute mode. For when you want zero fluff. This strips away all politeness programming and gives you raw, unfiltered answers. Add this to your custom instructions. Absolute mode. Eliminate all emojis, encouragement, and softening language. Use blunt, directive phrasing. Deliver information in the shortest, most accurate way possible. No questions, no suggestions. End responses immediately after core information. To activate, simply say, engage absolute mode. Warning, this can feel harsh. AI won't sugarcoat anything, but if you want truth over comfort, this is your solution weapon. Solution number 5, the third-party perspective, the 20-second hack that works instantly. This requires zero setup, and you can use it right now. Instead of review my code for bugs, say review this code from a junior developer and help me identify all mistakes. Or analyze this business plan from a startup I'm evaluating as an investor. Why this works? ChatGPT is trained to be supportive of you specifically. Position content as third party, and it drops people-pleasing instantly. Pro tip, 95% of people can implement this immediately. No custom instructions, no complex setup. This is your fastest path to honest feedback. Bonus hack, the settings shortcut most people misgo to. ChatGPT settings, personalization, personality. Change it from default to robot for more direct responses. Or try cynic if you want extra attitude. This adjusts ChatGPT's baseline tone across all conversations. No custom prompts needed. Reality check. 80% of users who don't learn proper prompting abandon ChatGPT within 3 months. The 5 techniques you just learned. They separate casual users from power users. Alright, here's your complete AllAboutAI toolkit to stop AI from being a yes man. Pros and cons strategy. Force analytical thinking. Reverse psychology. Exploit the yes man bias. Mental model enforcement. Rewire AI's identity. Absolute mode. Eliminate all fluff. Third-party perspective. 20-second instant fix. Remember, you can't just ask AI to be critical. You have to strategically force it into critical thinking mode. These are the exact techniques top prompt engineers use daily, and now you have them too. So which solution are you trying first? Drop a comment. I read every single one. If this transformed how you use ChatGPT, smash that like button and subscribe to All About AI for weekly AI optimization strategies that actually work. I'm here to help you master AI tools and get real results, not just hype. See you in the next one.